I've not even looked at myself this morning, guys. But let's just check ourselves out here for a second. Not too bad. A little crazy. I got my oldest son off to school. And now I'm getting ready to make my bed and get my youngest son dressed for school. And then, once I get him to school, I'm going to go get myself some coffee. And then I have a very big project we're going to tackle today. We are going to tackle this room. Used to be Gavin's. Now that Gavin's not in here and the boys are sharing a room, which I posted a video on that. You'll have to go check it out. This is going to be like my closet room. So that will be my closet. I'm going to put all my stuff in these dressers, and I'm going to bring my dresser in here that has all of my makeup on it and my hair stuff, so I can just get ready in here if I need to. Anyway, that's going to be today's project. So I'm going to set the tripod up in a little bit, and I'm going to film for you guys and try to get this room done while Gavin is at school. That's my plan. So I will catch back up with you when I get home from getting Gavin off to school. Actually, let's go see Gavin. He's having a kiwi, and he's so cute. He told me that this morning that he took his shirt off last night because he was freaking hot. Can you say good morning? Good morning. Tell him what you're getting ready to do. You getting ready to go to school?
Yeah.
Yeah, getting ready to go to school. Alright, guys. So, I will check back in later. Alright, guys. So, I got back from taking Gavin to school. And I got my coffee. If you want to know what I get I only go once a week because I know there's lots of sugar in this. And it's not the greatest for you. But I get a large iced latte with almond milk because regular milk upsets my stomach. And I get caramel in it and 2 packs of sugar. So good. Anyway. We are going to tackle this room today. So, here we go. So we are back from picking up Gavin from school. And I got him something to eat. And he is now just going to watch his tablet in his bed. He is tired and it's kind of rainy and yucky. Well, it's very rainy. Look, I'll show you. Outside at our house, it looks very blue. I don't know why it looks blue. Anyway, it's very rainy today, so he is going to lay in his bed and watch his tablet and relax. I'm going to show you guys, I got a couple things at Walmart when I was there. So, I got this. Actually, let me turn the camera around. I got this cute little wooden frame. It's on glass. There we go. And it says choose happy. I have no idea where I'm going to put it, but thought it was cute. I had to get a couple of these, I guess plugs that you can plug more than one thing into. And then I got this peeler. It says it has a ceramic blade. We'll see if it works. Oh, there's something else in there. What else is in there? Oh, just a little nail. Let's see here. Also got this wall mount, a tilting one. And I'll show you later. I already told you that we were going to mount our TV. I got this puzzle. I'm a little obsessed with puzzles right now. And then I went to Ross, of course, because I'm obsessed with Ross. And I got just my husband some new socks. So, I am going to get back to cleaning in the bedroom. I have all of this stuff here is Goodwill stuff. And I have actually gone through everything that was in my drawers. So I just need to move it into the other room. And then I'm going to be moving the dressers and starting on my makeup area over there. That is a hot disaster. So, because all of that is going to go into the other bedroom as well. So, I'm going to start on that and I will show you parts of that. Okay, y'all. Basically finished in my bedroom. Well, in our master bedroom. I have some things to get off the wall, like my mirror, I'm going to kind of rearrange that. That mirror will go into my room where my makeup and stuff is. But I wanted to show you guys quickly. Oh, there's such a glare. Just got our dresser. Haven't set my clock yet. Mounted the TV. And then, of course, that is cleared now. And then our bed. I'm trying to decide what I want to do on this wall. I thought maybe a wallpaper or maybe like the faux brick like Kristen did in her kitchen. I don't know. Anyway, so, and then of course here's this side. I've got to get a frame for that. I drew that, but it's kind of warping a little bit, so I need a sturdy frame so it won't fall apart. But anyway, I'll show you a quick little into this room. I started in my closet and I have all my clothes put away, but like this area here, like where my makeup's gonna go, and then I have like books, and I've just like I brought everything in here, and then I just need to kind of organize it. So that's gonna be it for today. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. We'd love to have you. And I hope everybody's having a great day and has a great week. It's Thursday today, so when you see this, it will be really late Thursday night or Friday morning. And then it's almost the weekend, thank goodness. I like the weekend. I can't decide if it's my favorite. I don't know. I love my children, but there's definitely times I love to send them to school. So, anyway. We will see you guys next time. Bye, everybody.